In this video, I'm going to guide you through the complete process of transferring your Wix domain to another hosting provider. To get started, log into your Wix account and head over to your main dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Settings option from the left-hand sidebar. In the Settings panel, look for the Domain section, which is where you can manage everything related to your domain setup. Click on Domains to access the domain management page. If Wix prompts you to add or purchase a domain, simply ignore that and locate the domain you want to transfer. After finding your domain, click on the three-dot menu next to it to open the domain actions. From the drop-down menu, select Transfer Away from Wix, which will initiate the transfer process. Wix will then display important details about transferring your domain, along with any requirements your new hosting provider may have. Once you've reviewed everything, click Transfer Domain and confirm the request by selecting I still want to transfer. At this stage, Wix will email you the transfer authorization code, also known as the EPP code, to the email address registered with your domain. This code is essential, as your new hosting provider will need it to verify and complete the transfer process. Simply check your inbox for the email from Wix, copy the authorization code, and follow the instructions provided by your new domain host to finalize the transfer. And that's it. That's how you can easily transfer a domain from Wix to another provider. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.